Hey, oh, I am so excited. I am excited. Just the mere fact that you thought enough of me to just even click on my button to see what my memberships are all about makes me so happy. And I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You may recognize me from my cooking channel, Cooking at Pam's Place, or my gardening channel at The Scaredy Cat Gardener. But I decided to start Pam's POV so that I could give you even more tips, tricks, and hacks, and just life advice. Share things that happen with me, with you. And that's why I decided to go ahead and open up my memberships. Okay? Tell you guys some tips and tricks and things that I may not share publicly. We will have members only lives, and those will be a lot of chit chats and Q&As where you can ask me things, and if I know the answer or if I can, that's where you'll get the answer. For you guys, we'll do pop-up lives as well as planned lives. Just for my members. You have special emojis and badges. You have badges for just joining. You'll have a badge at a year mark and a 2-year mark. You'll have special emojis that when I do go live or when I do have premieres, you can use those emojis in the chat. And even in the comments, you can use those emojis. You'll stand out in the comments, and that's another thing. Your comments and questions on all my videos will have priority response. I'll also be taking you guys sometimes when I go shopping and things that I'm picking out and things I notice in the store. That's for you guys. I'll also share family photos and pictures of the things that we do around our house at gatherings with you all. You can find all that stuff on the community tab. You all take into consideration supporting me by joining as a member. I would love to have each and every one of you all. Thank you so much. I'm Pam, and this is my POV.